This channel is making thousands of dollars just by creating AI faceless videos like this.
They took my parents away. Me and my little sister were dragged from our home by the enemies and thrown into a work camp. We were just kids.
And you can too, if you have the right AI tool. Today, I'm introducing an amazing and powerful tool that can create animation stories, sci-fi videos, history content, Ghibli-style animations, and more. All from just your text. And that's not all. You can also make fake screenshots, create conversational dialogue videos, and so much more. So subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and let's get started. The tool name is Shorts AI. Now go into Google Chrome and search it. Click on this website. You can see the interface. Click on Start Creating for free. Now sign up with your email or Google account. After signing up, you can see this dashboard. Here you get many features like Reddit story, fake text, AI story video, and caption generator and more, which are really incredible. The most exciting feature is AI story video that we're looking for. Now I click on AI story video. Now here you can see text prompt box for you video script. You can give you a video starting hook. Here you can give CTA or call to action, which are really unique from other AI tool. You can make custom script or AI script. So I choose to make AI script. Look at this. Here you get a huge collection of pre-made prompts. Interesting history, life pro tips, philosophy, motivational, and more, which is amazing. Let me show you one. I choose this one, and here you can select your language. Give starting in CTA. Like this. Choose your script length. Now hit on Generate Script. Our script is ready. Now click on Next. Choose your background style for the video. Here you get amazing style like Ghibli style, which is trending now. Also dark style, sci-fi art, Pixar style, and more. And upper right side, you can choose your video aspect ratio. I choose Ghibli style. Now you get tons of caption style. Select it as you prefer. And now most important part, AI voice. Here you get many AI realistic voices.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about all the latest.
And here, we have a calm,
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure, it just...
Découvrez lors de cette visite.
अगर आप ढूंढ रहे हैं एक
I've seen things you people.
Here you can choose background music. You can control the volume. Now choose this one. Now click on Generate Video. So our video is completed. Let's see.
5 signs of fake love. Jake and Lily faced a classic dilemma, a disagreement over dinner plans. Jake wanted pizza, Lily craved sushi. Tension escalated until Jake remembered a trick. He took a breath and said, "I hear you really want sushi tonight," his effort. She explained her love for the freshness. Jake replied, "Got it, let's get sushi, and I promise pizza this weekend." They laughed, and all fury melted away. Their little disagreement turned into a perfect compromise. Sometimes all it takes is to tune in and listen.
Wow, this is really impressive. I use many AI tools, but this is very engaging. It made the video in fast passing, which can grab audience attention, and the image quality are really good. In my opinion, this is the best for short content. Now let me show you more features of this AI tool. Let's see how it creates dialogue videos. I click on this. You can see this dashboard. Here you can input your dialogue, like this. Choose the background. Here you can gameplay type background, which are very engaging. Choose your caption style. Choose the voice. Now generate.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, just completed my work. What about you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, just completed my work.
Ah, that's amazing. It included a gameplay which made the video more attractive. And now let's make a fake screenshot. Just put your text, it will create conversation like this, which is just amazing. And here you can generate captions for your videos. Simply drop your video and it will make the caption. So this is really very powerful and useful AI for short content. I highly recommend you to use it if you want to make money with AI faceless videos. So the link is in the description. Go check it out now and like and share the video if you really get value. And subscribe for AI updates.